Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this tutorial we are going to see how to write Python program to send email to Gmail. So before we write program, we need to set up Gmail to generate app password. Navigate to this link, and if you don't have any app password, you will see this message. So click on go to your Google account. Now click on security tab, and then we need to turn on two-step verification. So click on turn on two-step verification here. Enter your phone number, select text message and click next. Enter the passcode and then click verify. So now two-step verification is enabled. If you go to the same link again, you can generate app password. Give some name. I will give Python mail and then click create. So this is the app password for your Gmail account. Copy that one. And now let's write the program to send email. Import smtplib. Import is a Python keyword used to include external modules or libraries into your program. SMTPlib is a built-in Python library for handling the SMTP. SMTP means Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, which is used for sending emails from Python programs. So this imports the SMTP library, which allows you to connect to an email server and send emails. Here sender underscore email is a variable that holds the email address of the sender. Receiver underscore email is a variable that stores the email address of the recipient. Subject is also a variable to hold the subject of the mail, and message is a variable to store the body or context of the email, and we will define one more variable to store the complete email message including the subject and body. So here f is a formatted string literal used to dynamically include variables in the string. So subject combines the subject with the value of the variable subject, and inside we will also add the /n. Let me change to small letter. Let me add /n, so new line character to separate the subject and message. Next we will create a variable to store the connection object to the email server, smtplib.SMTP, a method that creates SMTP client connection to the object for connecting to the server, and we will provide smtp.gmail.com, the server address for Gmail, comma 587, port number for the server used for communication. 587 is the standard for TLS. It establishes a connection to the Gmail SMTP server on the port 587. Server.starttls. Here server refers to the SMTP connection object. StartTLS is a method that starts transport layer security TLS, encrypting the connection to the server. It actually upgrades the connection to a secure encrypted connection. Next, server.login, a method to authenticate with email server using credentials. Sender underscore email here is a sender's email address defined earlier. It's the app password that we have created for Gmail account. Server.sendMail, a method to send email through the connected SMTP server. Inside we will provide sender email, receiver email, and the text variables that we have created before. So this line of code sends the email from the sender to the receiver with the specified content. Next, print email send success. Print here is a function that outputs the text to the console, and we write a message saying email sent success. Okay, that's it. Let's run the program. Email send success message is displayed. Now go to the email, and if you see here we have received the email, but there is problem. We have the subject and body in the subject itself. So let me go back to the program and fix this. Add one more /n so that the message will be displayed in the body, and subject will be displayed as subject, and execute the program again. Now go back to the email, and now if you can see, we have the subject email Python as a subject, and the body of the message in the body itself. That's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe.